Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Varo bank, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Varo bank app on your phone. Right after you do that, this is how the interface gonna appear, right? You can see the login page will open up right away, and you will find this option of I don't have an account at bottom of the login at once. Simply go ahead, tap on that for you to create, add in your email over here. Once you're done adding your email number, go ahead, add in your US mobile number that you require. Add in the password, which is the new password that you have to create, which needs to have a minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase letter, including 1 number. And once you do that, you're gonna tap on join today, and by that you will simply be agreeing with the telephone use agreement and disclosures for the Varo account. Now that only it takes for you to do so. You just have to give this 3 informations accordingly and tap on join today, and you will be able to join the Varo bank right away, right now, on the as soon as you have the access of the bank app. So this is how easy it is. Make sure to follow it along and you will be able to do so. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.